Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A white-toned bedroom offers a sanctuary of serenity and peace. Here's a breakdown of key elements to consider when designing your tranquil white haven. Shades of white, the power of palette. While white is the dominant color, explore variations like cream, ivory, or even a hint of grayish to add depth and visual interest. Play with textures like eggshell walls, plush comforters, or woven baskets to create a layered look. Furniture selection, clean lines and light colors. Opt for furniture with clean lines and light-colored finishes in materials like wood, upholstered with linen or whitewashed rattan. This ensures a sense of airiness and prevents the space from feeling too stark. Consider incorporating mirrored furniture to reflect light and add a touch of glamour. Optional. Bedding and textiles, luxuriously layered. Layer white bedding with different textures to create visual interest. Think crisp white sheets, a cozy white comforter, and fluffy white throw pillows with a contrasting texture like cable knit. Pops of color, optional. Introduce personality. A white canvas allows pops of color to add personality. Introduce color through throw pillows, artwork, a statement rug, or accent furniture pieces. Choose colors that complement white, like soft pastels, calming blues, or pops of greenery from houseplants. Lighting, dimmable options are key. Prioritize soft, dimmable lighting to create a calming and relaxing atmosphere. Layering with overhead lighting, bedside lamps, and strategically placed fairy lights allows you to adjust the ambience based on your needs. Warm touches, natural materials. Balance the coolness of white with natural materials like wood, bed frame, nightstands, dresser, woven baskets for storage, or a jute rug at the bedside. These elements add warmth, texture, and visual interest. Organic accents, houseplants in white ceramic planters or woven baskets add pops of color and life. Choose low-maintenance varieties like snake plants or peace lilies. Overall design principles, balance and serenity. Arrange furniture and decor in a way that promotes a sense of calm and avoids cluttering the space. Negative space, leaving areas empty allows the white tones to breathe and creates a sense of tranquility. Textural play, mix and match textures like smooth linens, plush rugs, and woven baskets for added depth. Remember, personalize your oasis. A white bedroom is your haven. Add personal touches through artwork, family photos, or decorative objects that reflect your style. Maintenance considerations, white can show dirt more easily. Opt for stain-resistant fabrics and choose washable surfaces for easy upkeep. Consider adding a duvet cover to protect your white comforter. With thoughtful planning and attention to detail, you can design a white-toned bedroom that is both elegant and calming, offering a perfect retreat for relaxation and rejuvenation. Here are some compelling reasons to consider designing a white bedroom for your sanctuary of sleep and relaxation. Tranquility and peace promotes relaxation. The calming and serene nature of white can create a peaceful environment that promotes relaxation and better sleep. White tones evoke a sense of cleanliness and purity, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Reduces stress. Studies have shown that exposure to white can have a positive impact on mood, reducing stress and anxiety. A white bedroom can create a calming atmosphere that helps you de-stress and prepare for sleep. Enhanced light and spaciousness brightens the space. White reflects light, making even small bedrooms feel larger and brighter. This is especially beneficial if your bedroom has limited natural light. Airy and open feel. A white color scheme creates a sense of airiness and openness, which can be particularly advantageous in compact bedrooms. Versatility and clean slate, timeless elegance. White is a classic and timeless color that never goes out of style. A white bedroom design provides a clean slate that allows you to easily change your decor and accent colors over time to reflect current trends or your personal preferences. Adaptable to different styles. the versatility of white allows you to create a variety of design styles in your bedroom. Want a modern minimalist haven? White is perfect. Craving a touch of French country charm? Add rustic wood furniture and pastel accents. Additional advantages: showcases artwork and decor. A white backdrop allows your artwork, colorful throw pillows, or a statement lamp to take center stage and truly shine. Easier maintenance, potentially. While some may worry about white showing dirt easily, light-colored furniture and stain-resistant fabrics can minimize maintenance compared to darker-colored bedrooms. Overall, a white bedroom offers a multitude of benefits, from creating a calming and peaceful sleep environment to providing a versatile foundation for various design styles. It's a perfect choice for those who crave a tranquil and elegant retreat for relaxation and rejuvenation. Here's a roadmap to guide you on your journey to designing a serene and beautiful white bedroom. 1. Define your white, shades, and tones. White comes in many variations. Consider the overall feel you desire. Crisp white creates a clean, modern look, while ivory offers a warmer and more traditional ambience. Grayish, a blend of gray and beige, can add a touch of sophistication. 2. Embrace the light, maximize natural light. Take advantage of existing windows. Consider translucent curtains or blinds to diffuse light without blocking it completely. If possible, explore adding skylights or larger windows for an extra dose of sunshine. Layering artificial light, a combination of lighting options, is key. Install dimmable overhead lighting for general illumination, and incorporate bedside lamps with warm white bulbs for task lighting and ambience. Consider adding sconces on either side of the bed for reading or creating a relaxing atmosphere. 3. Furniture selection, clean lines and light colors. Opt for furniture with clean lines and light-colored finishes. Wood furniture with a whitewash finish or upholstered pieces in linen or whitewashed rattan are all excellent choices. This maintains a sense of openness and prevents the space from feeling too stark. Consider mirrored furniture pieces, dressers, nightstands, to reflect light and add a touch of glamour. Optional. 4. Bedding and textiles. Luxuriously layered, layer white bedding with different textures to add visual interest. Think crisp white sheets, a cozy white comforter or duvet, and fluffy white throw pillows with contrasting textures like cable knit or velvet for a touch of luxury. 5. Pops of color. Optional. Introduce personality. While white dominates, consider adding pops of color for personality. Introduce color through throw pillows, artwork above the bed, a statement rug, or accent furniture pieces like a bench at the foot of the bed. Choose colors that complement white, like soft pastels, calming blues, or pops of greenery from houseplants. 6. The finishing touches. Area rug. Optional. A light-colored area rug can define the sleeping space, add a touch of pattern or color, and provide warmth underfoot. Opt for washable rugs for easy maintenance. Window treatments. Light and airy curtains or blinds allow natural light to flow in while providing privacy. Roman shades or roller shades offer a clean and modern look. Artwork and decor. Artwork and decorative objects add personality and reflect your style. Choose pieces with pops of color or metallic accents to complement the white theme. Consider hanging calming nature prints or black and white photography above the bed. Bonus tips: maintain balance and proportion. Arrange furniture and decor to avoid cluttering the space. Embrace negative space. Leaving some areas empty allows the white tones to breathe and creates a sense of tranquility. Mix textures. Play with textures like smooth linens, plush rugs, and woven baskets for added depth. Prioritize function. While aesthetics are important, ensure your furniture is comfortable and meets your storage needs. Remember, personalize your space. A white bedroom is your haven for relaxation. Add personal touches through artwork, family photos, or decorative objects that reflect your style. Maintenance considerations. Choose stain-resistant fabrics and washable surfaces for easy upkeep. Consider adding a duvet cover to protect your white comforter. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can transform your bedroom into a beautiful and serene white oasis, offering a perfect retreat for sleep, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.